Hi everyone. Firstly, congratulations to the entire team. I mean, this is a casting coup in itself, so I guess it's fabulous to even be here and witness it. Congratulations. I'm Kunal Kothari. I'm from IWM Bars, and my question is obviously to the legend herself, Shabana ma'am. Ma'am, you've seen it all. You've done it all over the years. You know, you can have people can keep asking you how does it feel and all that. But from where you started to where you're today, now you get to work with younger actors and obviously actors who were with you back then as well. What is the kind of experience that you face that you have today? Because for someone who started the way you started, and here you are, there's so much more exposure and everybody being much more accepting. So how do you feel about that?
I love it. I love it. I really, really feel very grateful that I happen to be at the right place at the right time. And the fact that I'm working with younger actors who are bringing completely different sensibilities from mine is always very exciting because you learn from each other. And I must tell you that most of the younger actors come with some trepidation that abhi pata nahi kya hone wala, and they realize very soon कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, and they become so comfortable कि मुझे लात मार के उनको याद दिलाना पड़ता है मैं सीनियर हूँ, behave yourselves. But it is a very exciting time, and for me the realization that 50 years since I started, I'm still doing work that I enjoy, that I'm very grateful for, because like you said, I've done everything. And then at the end of all that, I realized that what I enjoy most is being an actor in front of the camera. So obviously, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, this is Divya from India Films. First of all, congratulations to the team for this wonderful trailer. My question is to Anjali and Shalini, both of you. So the show is about how women take their lives, and it's done in the most extraordinary way. So how did your characters go through this journey, and what do you admire the most about their journey?
So Shahida, I'm playing Shahida, and she is a survivor. She's a fighter, and I think I have so much to learn from her, and there's so much I've already had in me that I could give to her, because I am a survivor, a fighter myself, so I think I really enjoyed another flavor with Shahida, and flavor because dabba, so yeah, I'm not trying to be funny, but it's something that I really enjoyed playing. It's a very different character to what I've ever played before, and it was just really easy. Everybody on stage just made it really easy for me to be a part of it. I was the last addition to the cast, and it all happened very fast. I had not even read the script, but I got a call, and it was within 2 minutes. I was like, I'm in it, I'm doing it. And the third time I got to work with Shabana Azmi, so who's going to say no to that? In my very young career, I got to work with her again, and I would do it till the day I die.
Hello. Hi. Here, on the left.
She was going to answer.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry, Shalini. Please continue. Sorry.
Hi, so I'm playing Raji, and Raji she seems like a very sweet, simple, homely girl, which she is, but then she goes through her turmoil and loses her innocence and does not even know what depth she has, and I have, as a character, discovered that depth while doing this, and it was a great experience for me. And how Raji, that seems like she can, how she flips completely, and how her morals and everything, like, you'll see how it changes. It was a discovery for Shalini and while playing Raji for me. So it was very interesting playing Raji.
Thank you. Yeah. Please go ahead.